Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today, I would like to share a thought on Google Maps. So guys, let's get into the content about what if we have a pause button in Google Maps. Firstly, before getting into the topic, let's get to know about Google Maps. Google Maps is one of the best AI-powered virtual assistant, which provides transportation navigation with lots of features. It also has a lot of interactive features that makes our work so easy. Few among the important features are getting the direction, measuring the distance in ETA, getting traffic information, verbal instructions, location editing and sharing, and many more such feasible options are already integrated in Google Maps. But what if we have an additional feature called pausing or resuming? Sounds great, isn't it? So to be more clear about this scenario, I would like to take a real-time scenario. We mostly travel based on the Google Maps predictions and navigation suggestions, right? So what if we are on a long journey and we would like to take a break for refreshments? As we all know, if we deviate from the actual direction, Google Maps starts giving to directions suggestions. So in this case, the only solution we presently have is to mute the maps, or to exit the application for a while and to start it again. Sometimes it is so annoying, right? For these kind of scenarios, what if we have a pause or resume options in Google Maps? Yes. Now your life is so easier. We can pause for a while until our work is done and then resume it once you are ready to cover your remaining journey. As all the remaining features of the Google Maps does. This feature can also make a huge impact on the users using this. So guys, let's hope to see this feature in future. Do share your views on this video and also share this video until it reaches everyone, get the views of people out there. I hope you liked the video. We'll see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.